Welcome to today's video. Today we are out driving the Manny Jeep. I flipped it 2 months ago and then got it going again. Just to be able to drive a manual. But yeah. This is full floating too. I don't really use a clutch. But yeah, so I just thought I'd start up a video and just drive around, bang some gears, talk. I don't know. I'm bored. This is a semi-shift now, by the way. I have a video on this exact Jeep on my channel. But I can give you some background. 1991 Jeep Cherokee, 2-door. It's red. It's got a 4.0 5-speed 4x4. Which ain't too bad. It's a little bit more. It's more rough because it was flipped than it is in that video. A lot of wind noise because the doors don't seal and the windows don't seal because it's from 91. But she runs, and I'm not going to complain about it. Come on. I gotta wait for it to grab. There we go. Popped into the gear. I really only use the clutch to start and stop. But yeah. Oh, this is bumpy. But yeah, I just thought I'd start just me floating some gears. I don't know. I'm bored. I want to get some more content up on the channel. Let me know. I don't think anyone's going to really watch this, but if you do, I got quads, I got dirt bikes, I got land. What you want to see? You know what I mean? I'll do it. If you want to see some hooting in this piece, I'll do some hooting. I'll get out my little GoPro and I'll put it on some different spots on this thing and just... Sorry, my teacher's grading all my assignments. It's popping up on my phone. But yeah, I'm hoping I want to upload more to this channel. Kind of get a little bit bigger. I like doing it. Just don't really have the time. I'm starting up a job, so I really won't have time. But I'll still be able to make it work. Come on, go first. If you want to buy this, let me know. Located in Michigan. We will talk about price. I'm not going to shoot out a price right now. But, yeah, if you want to buy it, let me know. Runs and drives good, 155K on her. Jeep, 91. I'll be honest, I've beat this thing pretty decent. She's taken all of it. Nothing major has broken on her. Knock on wood. But yeah. She's got decently fresh tires on her. I mean, the front end's kind of, the ball joints are kind of a little shot. It's just a little sketchy, but I don't really care. I'll send her. So yeah, that's, I don't know. I just wanted to, are you going to go into third or what? Maybe I should use a clutch. But yeah, I just wanted to make a video. Just whatever. So yeah.